Landed Property Zoning 101. Planning to purchase your landed property? Watch this video before you decide. What determines if a plot next to your dream house becomes another landed or a 10-story condo? Let's break it down. First, know your zone. Is your street purely for landed homes, known as detached, semi-D and terrace? Or is it residential, non-landed zone, which means an apartment or condominium could be built beside you? This changes everything about the feel, noise, and even prestige. Example of landed housing zones in Singapore: 2-story mixed landed, 3-story semi-detached, 2-story bungalow, 3-story mixed landed. On screen above shows the difference between landed versus non-landed zone. On the right, the highlighted in red is a landed zone where only landed can be built, while on the left, a non-landed zone has no highlighted box, meaning that landed and apartment can be built. Zoning isn't just a map, it's the future of your neighborhood. Before you fall in love with a property, you must know its zoning and plot ratio. Message me landed zone for a simple guide on how to check the zoning for any address in Singapore. I'll send it to you for free.